Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Getting rid of the heavy rain from last night as a cold front passes through. It will be breezy, it will be cool for the morning, a little bit of sunshine for the afternoon, certainly less humid, feeling much like fall as we head into the upcoming weekend. The jet stream playing a huge role in that as that jet stream pulls to the south with a trough developing over the Great Lakes. It'll allow some cooler air in. The big cool down this weekend with temperatures struggling into the low 60s. 67 for a high today, peaks of sun, a west to northwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight we'll see a mostly cloudy sky, cooler, temperatures down into the low 50s. High of 64 degrees tomorrow, low 60s on Saturday. We rebound somewhat into the upper 60s next week, a chance for a shower or two Monday and Tuesday. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great day.